Here's a question worth real money. Did you know that in much of the country, turning 65 can freeze your property taxes at today's amount for the rest of the time you own your home? Most homeowners don't. And here's the part that bothers me enough to make a video about it. These programs almost never find you. There's no letter in the mail when you turn 65. You have to know the program exists, walk into a county office, and ask. So today, that's what we're fixing. This is our first video in a series we call What You're Owed. The good news side of the fine print. Property tax help for seniors comes in 3 basic flavors, and your county may offer 1, 2, or all 3. Flavor 1, the freeze. You qualify, usually at 65, and the county locks your bill at that amount. Tax rates can rise, your home can be reappraised higher, and your bill stays frozen at the year you qualified. The freeze doesn't lower what you pay today. It protects you from every increase that would have come tomorrow. Over 10 or 15 years of rising rates, that quietly becomes thousands of dollars. Flavor 2, the exemption, sometimes called a homestead exemption for seniors. A slice of your home's value simply stops being taxed. Your bill drops immediately. Flavor 3, relief or rebate programs, where the state pays part of your property tax for you. These usually have income limits, and they're aimed at folks on modest fixed incomes. Now let me make this concrete with one state's actual numbers, and I'll use Tennessee, since the programs there show how the pieces stack. Tennessee runs a state relief program for homeowners 65 and older. For 2026, if your combined household income is at or below $37,530, the state pays the tax on the first $32,700 of your home's market value. That's money the state simply pays for you every year, as long as you qualify and reapply. Tennessee also lets counties and cities adopt the freeze program, and many have. The freeze typically has its own income limit, set locally, and often higher than the state relief number. Here's the part people miss. In places offering both, the two stack. The relief pays part of the bill, and the freeze locks the rest from ever rising. And one more. Because somebody watching needs to hear it. Disabled veterans in Tennessee can get relief on the first $175,000 of their home's value with no income limit at all. Surviving spouses can often keep that benefit. If that's you or your neighbor, please check it. Whatever state you're in, the shape is usually similar, an age line at 65, sometimes an income line, a form at the county office, and a deadline. In Tennessee, it's the county trustee, and applications run on the tax calendar, so missing the date means waiting a full year. So here's your homework, and it takes one phone call or 10 minutes online. Step 1, search your county name plus the words property tax relief for seniors, or call your county trustee, treasurer, or assessor's office and ask 3 questions. Do we have a senior freeze? Do we have a senior exemption? Do we have a relief or rebate program? 3 questions, that's it. Step 2, ask for the income limit and the deadline. Income limits are often higher than people assume, and some programs, like freezes in many places, have limits generous enough that ordinary retired households qualify easily. Step 3, ask what counts as income for the program. These programs usually look at your household's combined income, and the definitions vary. Don't disqualify yourself in your own head. Let the office tell you. And step 4, if you qualify, mark the reapplication date on your calendar, because most of these require a short renewal every year. Set it next to your birthday so it never slips. A few honest cautions. First, if you sell and move, a freeze resets. Your new home starts fresh at current rates, which is worth knowing before downsize. We covered a downsizing surprise in our Irma video, and this is its little cousin. Second, these programs change. Income limits move most years, and counties adopt or adjust programs all the time. The numbers I gave you are 2026 figures for one state, used as an example. Your county's numbers are the only ones that matter, so please verify before you count on anything. 1-minute recap. 3 kinds of senior property tax help exist: freezes that lock your bill, exemptions that shrink it, and relief programs that pay part of it for you. They start around age 65, many stack together, and none of them apply automatically. One call to your county office with 3 questions: freeze, exemption, relief. Ask the income limit, ask the deadline, reapply every year. In Tennessee in 2026, that call can be worth relief on $32,700 of home value plus a frozen bill. In your county, the numbers will differ, but the call is the same. If this was useful, the next What You're Owed video covers 4 federal programs that pay Medicare costs for millions of seniors who qualify and never apply, including one that quietly refunds the entire Part B premium. That one can be worth over $2,400 a year. I'll see you at 100.